So if there's any truck that's a good example of a test truck for testing this stuff out, it's definitely mine. This thing doesn't start. I'll show you. It's been sitting, it's what, I don't know, 60 degrees out or something like that?
It's like 55.
Yeah, it's 55. We'll call it 55. Still, a diesel truck should start right up, no?
Yeah,
Easy.
fire right up.
Yeah, this is what my truck does. As you could guess, it doesn't start. I know the glow plug relay's bad too, so that's probably part of the problem. That's definitely part of the problem. But this is it right here. You know, predictable. I knew that was gonna happen. This was a first test. So we'll pop the hood. We're gonna pop some of this in here. And I will replace the glow plug relay as well, so that it'll actually start, hopefully. But now you can see some of the current evidence of what I've been doing.
Oh, these are your starters.
This is my glow plug relay jumper and my starter jumper, so that I can turn the truck on, jump the glow plug relay, and start the truck all by myself. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this Archoil AR9100. I'm gonna pop that whole thing into this thing. I know my oil's probably low because this thing burns it.
So if I remember correctly, Archoil is a brand that is backed by powerstrokehelp.org.
Oh, interesting.
I don't know if that's where you found it from, but
I just went online. Yeah, I just went online and Googled, what was it, stiction modifier or whatever. Everyone was saying this is better. So I went ahead and grabbed this instead. I'm gonna just do this whole thing. Whatever. I got this off of eBay or Amazon. I think it was eBay.
dump her in there.
It was like 40 bucks or 50 bucks, I can't remember. But if it makes my truck like run better, start better, that would be awesome.
Sounds healthy.
So you can tell the relay's not working because now the audible pump slowing. All right, so I don't know, we give this what, like 6-7 seconds or so? We'll see if we'll start.
Oh yeah, plenty of smoke.
A lot of smoke.
That's pretty typical.
Oh yeah, this is actually doing pretty good so far. Usually it doesn't like to run that long this soon. There it is.
Fully circulated with the system there. Moved the right out.
Let's see. I have it. It's a pretty good exhaust leak and all that too, so this will not be one of your nicer, quieter videos.
No, not at all.
My exhaust is held on in multiple places by simply wire and things being close together. It's still got a stuck injector, but I can take care of that real quick.
Danger zone. Hey, I think your truck's trying to tell you something. Time to recycle. Turn this thing into some new trucks.
There we go.
Oh yeah, it just smoothed out, didn't it? It hurt me.
There was a pitch change right there.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the next day. Walking out to the truck, and it's a lot colder today. As you can see, my breath. I think we're in the 30s or 40s right now. I didn't put the relay on yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll see if this thing will start. Archoil friction modifier A9100 yesterday, and now we're gonna see if this thing will start. If the Archoil, if this thing starts at all, I'm gonna say it's a good test. I mean, that relay, I was jumping it with a can, so it should be a pretty similar test, but this thing never, ever starts in cold weather like this, not anymore. So we will see. Waiting. Holy shit. Pretty good. I like that. That was it's still smoking a little bit, you know, a little bit of smoke, but that was amazing. That's the best this thing has started in probably the last 9 months. And it's cold out. Wow, it actually worked. That's just